Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable changing save location of apps in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click App Package Deployment. Select and open Disable installing Windows apps on non-system volumes. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.